How to fix 502 bad gateway Nginx error. Now I'm going to be showing you two kinds of troubleshooting steps on how we can fix the issue. First things first is by clearing cache cookies and data on the site settings itself. By doing that, just simply pull out your Google Chrome browser and then head to the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and then go to privacy and security and then head down to site settings and then go to view permissions and data stored across sites. Now, before you click delete all data, make sure that you memorize all your login email addresses and passwords because after doing this, you'll be automatically logged out. So if this does not resolve the issue, let's go ahead and head to the second troubleshooting steps. The second troubleshooting step is best changing your DNS servers. To do that, just press on Windows and then type in Control Panel. And once you're here, just go ahead and look for Network and Sharing Center and then click your current internet. Now you will be routed to this tab right here. All you have to do is go ahead to Properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then click Properties again. Now once you're here, you just have to choose on use the following DNS server addresses. Now on preferred DNS server, just simply type in 8888. Simply type in 8888. And then on alternate DNS server, type in 8844. Now you click on OK, and those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix 502 bad gateway error on Nginx.